Hello, welcome back. So today's video, as you can see, I already have one smoky eye done. Today I'm testing out the Morphe 9W Smoke and Shadow palette. I'm very excited. I absolutely loved how the shadows performed. Some colors you have to blend out a little bit more than others, like the black, but enough of that. If you want to see how I got this look, keep on watching. Okay, so here it is. Really nice mirror, and it's a 9-pan shadow. 9-pan shadow palette? Sure, let's go with that. So the first thing that I did was the black, because the black is a bitch to blend. I think it's kind of like across any palette, but I don't really use blacks often, so I don't know how blacks normally would perform. So I'm using this Luxie 141 mini round brush, doing a few taps in it, tapping it off, and I'm gonna start actually on my under my eye, and then I'm gonna just naturally follow the shape of my eye, and that's how I got this. So let's go right ahead. And I'm kind of patting a little bit of blending, but mainly I was down underneath. I am like blending, but once I get past my waterline, I start to pack it in, and I start to bring whatever extra I have down onto my eyelid. If I have to, go back in for more, tap off. Now I have something that looks like this. So now I'm going to start with the same brush, with whatever I have left on it. I'm gonna start blending it inwards. So I'm not going all the way in. I'm like in the crease, like I'm really close to the crease, but I'm not going more than halfway over on my eyelid, because I want this to be dramatic. And then I'm just gonna go in one more time. All right, so now that I have something like this, I'm going to take this cool brush. This came in an Ipsy bag as an add-on, and I honestly MissGlam Presice by Surprise. No, Presice Eye E25. I don't know. It's literally like the writing on it is so small. I cannot see it. So now I'm gonna go in with this color, and this is actually, oh no, I don't know how this actually, Silver Storm. Okay, so that's what getting wrong. So I don't like how they have the names on the back. It's like opposite, because this says Silver Storm. This is definitely Lights Out. And then I'm gonna go with Dark Side now, which is this brown. And I'm gonna just tap off any excess, and again, stay really close into the crease and not go more than halfway over. And I'm just going to blend it all out now. I'm even gonna go into the black to make sure I'm like really blending it all out. Okay, so now at this point, I'm gonna go back in with my first brush. I'm gonna go back into Lights Off. Just a few quick taps just to really deepen this like C shape just tap that in, and then go back in with the brown brush and right in the crease again. Okay, so I'm pretty happy with how this looks now. It's nice and blended as I'm still blending. I feel like I'm almost like, yeah, this looks great. Blend, 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 and blend some more. It is what it is. Now I'm gonna take the Real Techniques Essential Crease Brush, and I'm gonna go in with Steal Away, which is this bluish gray. Tap. And now I'm really gonna just blend out everything, you know, like go right on top of, start like right on top of that brown and just give it like this nice like blue hue. I'm gonna take that blue kind of like just a little bit deeper, like, I mean, in towards the inner corner. And then I'm going to come down here and follow that natural line again. And now I'm gonna start all over. So I'm gonna go back in with that little mini brush that I used for the black and just stamp it right in. Going with the brush that I used for the brown, a few dabs in there, and right into the crease. Okay, so now I'm gonna actually go between the Steal Away and I think this one's All Hours. So now that I like where we're at, I am still blending. Whatever. Okay, so I'm liking where we're at, and now I'm gonna go with this shade, which is Silver Storm, and I'm going to use this It Cosmetics brush, Precision Shadow. So I'm gonna dip it in to that shape, and then I'm going to take some setting spray, spray it, and start right in the center and work my way into the inner corner. It's such a pretty shade. Oh my god, I love it. I love it, love it, love it. So now I'm gonna take this brush, our first brush, and just make a C shape. Stamp into a C. Now I'm going to take that brush we used for the brown and just stay right in the crease. My bluish colors, my bluish grayish colors, and just blend that top out again and then into the bottom. Now I'm just going to take a brush that has no makeup on it, and this is the BH number 4, and just make sure that it's really all blended out just quickly. And then the Standout sweep from MOTD. I'm just gonna go into this like really skin-like shade from NYX and just put it right under my brow bone. Really like how this came out. And And now I'm going to take my Milk Makeup Mascara, with one I've been loving lately, and do my mascara. Revolution Velvet Lip Crayon in Chauffer. So we're going to start with the outline. This is like the perfect nude. For my lips. And I wasn't sure how I was gonna like it with like the eye look. I just want to try it out, but I actually kind of think it's cute with it. I think it goes nicely. Our last product we're gonna try is the Maybelline. Oh, look at how this comes out. Ready? It just like pops out. It's so cute. So just pop. It smells like coffee. I like it. Oh, I really like that actually. Looks really nice, like paired with that lip. It's good. It's good. All right, and then of course our Benefit Pore Professional Super Setter Spray. All right, well, this is the final look. If you watched my previous video, I've been in this base, this foundation, the highlight, the blush. It's probably been like an hour now. And it is still looking really, really nice. I don't have any creasing under the eye or anything, so awesome to lower Mercier, you know? So that might be my new setting. My setting powder. All right. Well, thank you guys so much for watching. And if you liked this video, go ahead and subscribe and like. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye.